If you're looking to get into streaming or just want to record your screen when using your PC, OBS is one of the best options out there and one of the easiest to use. My name is Yadullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and let's get your screen recording streaming journey started by installing OBS on your PC. OBS is one of the best screen recording and streaming softwares, especially if you're looking it up for free. Unlimited features, unlimited plugins, so on and so forth. So how do you download it? Well, the solution is very simple. All you have to do is head over to obsproject.com. This is the official OBS download site. And as you can see, we have Windows, macOS, and Linux options available right here. The latest release is August 15th, so just 4 days ago. Depending on which operating system you're using, just click the button. So for example, if I click on the Windows button, the download will just start. This will download an exe installer, which you can save and then run. As you can see, the download is nearly complete. We'll give it a second. So as you can see, I have the OBS Studio installer right here, and then I can just double click to run this. This is gonna take a while to start up. Smart screen can't be reached right now. So this is something that you will run into when you're installing open source programs right now. My internet connection seems to have glitched out, but in case you see something like this, you can go ahead and run OBS Studio without any problem. So just click on this run button and you'll be good to go. So if I do it, give the permissions that the installer needs, and the installation process has now started. So you can click next. I am already using OBS to record this, so I can't proceed with the installation, but this is essentially what you need to do to install OBS on your PC. If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below if these videos helped you or if you'd like to talk about anything else that's related to tech. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.